I'm here to make a response video. First, I'll say my thoughts, and then my best friend will come in and say hers. And yes, this is my real hair. If you think I'm crazy, okay. Yes, I think. Okay. Here's Maria.
You had no thoughts. You had no thoughts. What is this video for?
Tsunami video we just watched.
Hello. That tsunami video kind of sucked. You know, people die. You know, when they should be ready, they were videotaping.
Her hair smells so good.
Ow! Oh gosh. This is a little awkward.
Catch you later.